How to make a TikTok with multiple pictures. To get started, first of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is a TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos. Now tap on the media at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the gallery, go to the Photos section. Then tap on the Select Multiple option to select multiple photos from the gallery. After that, select as many photos as you want. Once you are done, tap on Next. Preview the photos in a slideshow. On this page, you can also edit your photos as you like, using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you are done, tap on the Next button. On this page, you can add a catchy title or even tag a location. Then, tap on the post from the bottom right. Once the post has been uploaded, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to view. Open the post. You can see the multiple pictures has been posted. So by following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok with multiple pictures.